Well, hello everyone. Well, after about 3,400 hours, a little bit over 3,400 hours, the Briggs and Stratton is done on the Toro Timemaster. I replaced the head gasket about 3 months ago. I didn't make a video on it. You can see with the muffler's smoking and the bolt has broken off now. After I replaced it with a new one, it broke off again. But anyway, the rings are worn out and it started fouling the plugs out 2 days ago. So I had decided I'm going to keep the mower. Everything else has been pretty good on it. All the bearings, nothing's going out. So I'm upgrading to another Briggs and Stratton, and I'll show you. Sorry about the video, I'm doing this with the phone. Ta-da! The new, let's see if you can see that, 1000 series with the 10 pounds of foot torque, 223cc. And I'm going to slap that in here and upgrade it. I might swap my fuel tank out because I think this has that new fuel tank that has the blue stuff in it. I haven't even looked at it yet. Shouldn't take too much to do this. And then I'll be back up and running. I got that motor on eBay, $269 free shipping, no tax. So if you look on there, you guys that want to upgrade or your motor's getting to the point where the old one's starting to fail you. Mind you, this is 3,400 hours on this mower. And I know people are going to say, oh, why are you keeping it? Why don't you just go buy a new one? Well, $269 to replace the motor. Well, crap, I can't even get it, but this is a 15 model. Serial number begins 315. So we've run it hard. You can see the rear tires now are wearing again a little bit, but the front ones are holding up that I've replaced. Anyway, until next time, I'll give you an upgrade on it and let you know how everything's doing with the new motor. Thank you.